Once again, hello everyone. This is the updated version of Disney Pixelated quiz. So now let's start the quiz. Okay, the coming question has got two versions, so please read the question very carefully. For instance, in version 1 of this question, it is asked, can you spot the famous lady in this one? And if this question comes, then your answer is Belly. Similarly, for version 2, it is asked, can you spot the famous lady in this one? In which movie did she star in? If this question comes, then your answer is Beauty and the Beast. Now the coming question has got three versions, so please read the question very carefully. For instance, in version 1 of this question, read the question. It is asked, and about what this one? Can you make it out? If this question comes, then your answer is Jasmine. Similarly, for version 2 of this question, it is asked, in which year was this movie with this character released? If this question comes, then your answer is 1992. Similarly, for version 3 of this question, it is asked here, who was the voice of this character? And if this question comes, then your answer is Linda Larkin. Now, the coming question has got two versions, so please read the question very carefully. For instance, in version 1 of this question, it is asked, and finally, can you identify this hero? If this question comes, then your answer is Mulan, M-U-L-A-N. Now, for the version 2 of this question, the question is, who was the voice of this Disney character? And if this question comes, then your answer is Ming, N-N-A, W-A-N. Type this carefully, okay? Again, the coming question has got four versions, so please read the question very carefully, then only start. For instance, in version 1 of this question, if you find this question, just read all the question, okay? Then your answer is Ursula. Just read each and every part of the question. Similarly, for version 2, just read the question, and if you find this question, then your answer is the Evil Queen. Okay, just read the question very carefully. Similarly, for version 3, if the question is this type, then your answer is Dr. Facilier. Just read the question very carefully. The question must be same, otherwise answer will not match. Now for the version 4, if you find this question, then your answer is Maleficent. So please read the question very carefully. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.